Want to make money online? Try these ideas. You no longer have to be employed in order to make money. In fact, people of all ages are looking online to earn extra income. There is no reason why you should be limited by the poor economy. All you need is a working internet connection and a device that allows you to connect online. Plus, you can easily benefit from the helpful advice below. Build a schedule for your daily activity. You have to persevere to make money online. There isn't any way to get rich quick here. You have to be willing to put in the effort each and every day. Figure out when and how you are going to work each day. An hour each day could be a big difference. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. Search "Make Money Online" on Google. You will instantly receive a broad list of opportunities. When you find something interesting, make sure you search for company reviews. Always proceed with caution when joining an online earning opportunity. Design and build websites for people on the web to make some extra cash on the side. This is a great way to showcase the skills that you have using programs like Composer. Take a class beforehand on website design if you want to brush up on your skills before starting up. Start out small when you want to make money online, to minimize potential losses. For example, something that looks promising could turn out to be a bust and you don't want to lose a lot of time or money. Do a single tax, write just one video or order only one item until the site you choose proves to be safe and worthy. One good way to make money online is by writing blog posts or videos. There are a few sites such as Helium and associated content that will pay for blog posts and videos that you write. You can earn up to $200 for videos on topics they are looking for. Develop as many online income streams as you can. Online money making can be fickle. What is popular can change with new technology. Your best course of action is to have as many irons in the fire as possible, so that you have profitable work to do at all times. In this way, if one area falters, you will have other areas to depend upon. Start your online earning today by following the great advice discussed in this video. Earning money is not as hard as it may seem, you just need to know how to get started. By choosing to put your right foot forward, you are heading off to a great start earning money to make ends meet. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.